Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna make the slime. It's like the one that you make pranks on. You can't like play with it or nothing. It comes out like this, like shampoo thing. But I like making tricks at them. If you use red instead of orange, you can make like kind of blood and scare people with it. So you will need a measuring cup. A cup. This is what it looks like at the end, or after I already showed you. Sorry. Okay. You need soap, like I showed you. This is them. I made two. I mixed them together. This is how it looked better. It looked a little bit thicker. Okay. Made OxiClean, dirt binders, vacuum misters, and you'll be baby powder. So first, you might need to put a little bit of water in there. So of course, okay, you should have some water wherever you are. If you don't, can't do anything. Can't make it because you need some water for this project. Sorry, shut my hand. That's the baby. And pour some soap in there. On there, stop opening it. It should look like this. I have a spoon. This way thicker. Okay. Just mix. A little bit more soap. And then you'll need a big one. Oh, I think I already put that in there. OxiClean. Okay. That's it. I like to put a little bit more in this was soap so I can make the color like pop out. Should look like this. A peachy color. Ooh, I got some on the floor. Sorry. Made a mess, okay? So, how do you make it? Sorry I didn't use the measuring thing. You can actually, I just looked up, first I got to use the measuring scale, but you can actually use how much as you want to, so just mix up. I hate that I did that. I just did that because that one was getting a little bit thicker. Now it's not. Just that, okay? So, yeah, that's about it. And please subscribe if you like or dislike. And leave a comment on what you want me to do next. The bottom? Look, you still got to wash your hands. It's still sticky. Okay. Bye, amigos. Oh, sorry. Can't push it on.